Guys, hello. We'll get started in a few minutes, right? Just sending out the link and gonna go over some Twitter stuff, all right? See you guys in a minute. Right, what up, guys? Good morning. What up? What up, Ariane? What up, bro? What up? Right, so this SVRE 2341. SVRE needs 0.2341 break. All right, so wait for that break candle close above on the 1, 10, 20 second, whatever time frame you desire. Then you can look for your entries. Let me have a look at some charts here. ARQQ, not my kind of play at all, but I'll have a look anyway. ARQQ is bearish as anything. This is a bloodbath. So we have ARQQ downtrend. ARQQ downtrend. What up, Marcus? What up, bro? What up? Okay, so we have this. DUO, how's Duo looking? Duo looks good. Needs volume. This needs volume to break above this. Yeah, break above that, then you'll be alright. Nothing else right now. Alright, leave combo. MDAI. Right, MDAI, let's have a look. MDAI is nothing, right? Everyone can see that even if they've just started trading today and looked at a chart. You'll never want to buy something like this. It's extremely bearish. It's in a downtrend. If it breaks above here, then you expect it to continue to go up. But trying to buy now is a very bad idea. All right. So I suggest just waiting for MDAI. No volume, nothing on us. Bearish. ATGL, let me have a look. I'll get your questions now, guys. Post some tickers, questions, and we'll get started in a minute. ATGL ran 50% yesterday, so we have this high, 227. Big level, 227. This has no volume at all, though. I don't know what's going on with this weird chart. So we have ATGL. ATGL needs 2.27 break. All right. 2.27 break, then that equals entries. For now, nothing. RR. So someone said RR will explode today. So if it doesn't explode, what happens? Makes me laugh when people just post their stuff. Okay. Let me go through this watch list. KTTA, I haven't changed at all. You got the wick fill, very nice. Candle close above 635. Next is your entry point. 635. I don't like a lot of this wick rejection. So if a candle closes above the 635. I'll be more than happy to look for entries on this. Should break it. We'll see. Looks very good right now. So we have KTTA needs 635 break above. I really appreciate you do this every morning. I can't begin to tell you how much I've learned this live trading in Discord. Thank you, Ring. No problem, Sarah. No problem. Try to stay as consistent as I can. Some days, obviously, I don't want to do live trading and I don't want to do YouTube, but I'm here for those who are actually want to learn, because I know most people, want to learn, and those who do show up, like yourself, I'm here for you guys. All right, I know there's people in and out. Maybe I don't trade well one day or give good setups. You get those half-hearted people or half-assed people. So for me, I just stay consistent what I do. I know I win, I know I lose. It's just at the end of the day, I've proved to show the consistency that I have and the profitability that I can achieve, So yes, I'm glad you're learning, because I know a lot of people are visual and they like to see this, and that's why I like doing something like this. I was thinking of doing spaces on Twitter, but I'm not too sure how to approach it. Although I will get a lot more viewers, because I know most people maybe listen to it on the way to work or something, but when I'm doing spaces, I'd probably be talking about levels, and it'll be difficult to understand what does that mean. You don't really understand, so looking at it visually is a lot better. CCTG has low volume, but possible falling wedge here. Good morning. Do I see Tibio rebounding? 114%. Yeah, it looks good. So look here, what I do on Tibio is, look at the chart overall, right? We can see that you have your main resistance around here, 534. So we can put something like here, or 535, right? So what I would suggest is focus on this level right now. You are in a situation where you are in control of this chart because you have your support down here at 468, okay? And now you are currently just ranging in this. So the stock is going up and down inside of here, right? You don't want to be entering in here because it might go up and it might go down. 50-50 chance, right? So now, you know if it closes above here, this resistance, you have range all the way up to at least 559. You know, so personally, I would just wait for 535 break. Then I would look for my entries. Trying to buy in this range and sell, it's very difficult. Tibio, wait for 535 break. But the fact that it hasn't knifed or dumped at open, I mean, sorry, during pre-market is a good sign, but it just needs to hold this 468-ish level. GSIW. GSIW, not my kind of chart after the previous price action. What I see right now is I see it's heading to a resistance, which is around here, 132. Candle close above 132, you have clean range to 155. So what I suggest is, you know, something like this again. Wait for 132, break above, break and close above. That is not a break above. That is not a close above. That is a fake out. You need the candle to close. I explained this yesterday, and I explain it every day, what it means. Break. If I can spell correctly, break and close above. You know, because if it closes above, look, left, it has all that range up. But if you try buy now, look, you have this in the way, this in the way, this in the way, this in the way. You know, you have all these things in the way. BCTX. Let me have a peek. BCTX is a very nice chart that's broke out. Here's your key levels. Let me update some more here. This next one. So you have this. What I suggest is removing that, having this like that, using probably here to draw the trend. So right now you're in a bullish uptrend, right? So looks very good. Should get to 8.85. These are your key levels though. So what is this? This is BCTX bullish. BCTX bullish setup. C and EY. Let me have a look. C and EY. C and EY has up 10%. For me, yes, it's curling up, but I can see it's heading to a resistance level, right? So look, this is your resistance level here, 0.57, right? You do have range to fill these wicks, but at the moment you do have this in the way. So if you want to enter now, you are more than welcome to. Would I? No, because I don't like trading something with low volume. It's difficult to anticipate what's going to happen. So for me, it's a no-go, but if you like it, yes, you could try and take some. Up to you. So CNEY resistance at 0.57. Any other questions, guys? Post some questions, general questions on trading, how I trade, anything about the Discord, right? I don't have a Telegram for the 1,000th time. I've changed my pin tweet. Now the bots are saying don't join my Discord, use my Telegram. Like, these scammers are so fucking sad. Seriously, they're gonna get hit by a bridge. Sorry, hit by a train. Hit by a train soon. You know, karma's a beautiful thing for these idiots. Such a sad, sad life. I understand people got to eat, but you know, there's different ways of eating, and that's not the way to do it. Scamming people like that, very sad. But I know my followers are extremely smart, so they don't fall for that stupid stuff. But you know, we get a couple people there that fall for that stuff for some reason. Yeah, XHG. Vine. Let me have a look. Oh, Duo. Duo, 37%. Duo needs volume. It looks good though. Probably the best setup. You should get this wick fill right here. 0.71. You should get it right here. Should get this wick fill. All right. Vine. Vine, 4-hour time frame. Larger time frame is bullish. We've broken out of a nice level. Guys, it's very simple to go onto my page to find out the charts that I've posted. I'm not going to go over Hollow 20 times. I've posted it a few minutes ago. So take the time out of your day to do that, because I'm not here to sit and repeat charts 2 seconds. Every chart, every 2 seconds, all right? So if I don't respond to you and I ignore it, that means that I have already posted it, not because I don't see your tickets. This needs $1. Fine. Heading to $1, but I don't really like trading something like this, personally. SGMO, what's happening? SGMO is looking good. So now clean this chart up. What do I identify in the 4-hour time frame? I can see that we are slowly starting to form an uptrend-ish. Needs to hold this level. I'm going to go through this candle because it doesn't look too strong. Gonna go here, gonna go through this. It's not the end of the world. Needs to hold support here on this. SGMO needs volume to hold support. So this needs to hold volume. Needs volume to hold support. No volume, it will just come straight down. High volume, will push up. Was gonna ask, okay, guys, I will explain this and I do it every single day. Please remember this, everyone who is new. Please understand this. This is very simple to understand. I'm gonna show you. This is it. This is your resistance line. Okay, everybody see that. Now, this is your candle. Everybody see that, right? Now we have one candle here, right? This is one candle, and then we can do another candle like this. All right. Can do it like this. Very easy to do. This is the easiest way I can explain it to you, and everybody should get to understand this. Okay. Do you see the difference between these two candles? This is a fake out. This is a breakout. Why is this a breakout? Why is this a fake out? The fake out is because the body has not closed above. There has been wick rejection. The sellers have taken control, right? If you go onto Google, YouTube, wherever you want to go and learn, you will see that if there's strong top wicks, it means sellers are pushing the price down. However, in a resistance case like this, you should never, ever, right, as clear as I can say it, ever enter a trade when it has rejected like this. Why were you going to buy a stock if it's going to reject and probably come down? Why are you going to do it? If your bias is to buy the stock and expect it to go up, why are you going to buy something that is rejecting and coming down? It's that easy, right? Now, in a different circumstance, if the candle closes above the resistance like this, it can be like this, it can be like this, it can be like that. The body needs to close above the resistance. If the body closes above the resistance, there is a higher probability and confirms that the stock should continue to go up. It is broken above the resistance, right? You've made a hole through the wall and now you're going to go up, okay? So you need to make sure if a candle is closed above a resistance, that is your cue to enter the trade. Okay? There is no 100% guarantee, oh, it's going to go up now, it's broken above. No. Nothing is 100%. There is a higher probability. Instead of it being 50-50, stocks going up and down, you have the bias in your favor because you've broken a resistance and now it's closed up and now it should continue to go up. So maybe 70-30% chance it's going to go up now instead of it being 50-50. You see the difference? Entering here, you have 70-30 of it going down because it's rejected, right? So when it rejects like this, okay, as you can see, let's say for instance here, look, this has been a rejection. Now, where are you going to try and buy? If the candle closes above like this, you have a good indication that the stock will continue to go up. So the body needs to close above, okay? It's that simple. That is how easy it is to understand the trade setup, okay, on a breakout. So when I say on Twitter, I know most of you on Twitter, I say, wait for a break above the downtrend. Wait for a break above resistance. This needs to break above. That means a candle needs to close above. Now your question is, before I know you guys are going to ask me, what time frame shall I use? What is the best time frame? There is no best time frame, I'll tell you that. You can go on any website you want. You can go to ChatGPT, you can go on Google, you can go YouTube. The time frame does not matter. It depends on how you want to trade. If you are a swing trader, you should use larger time frames. If you use day trader, use smaller time frames. So if this closes above on the 4 hour, fantastic. If it closes above on the 5 minute, fantastic. It doesn't matter, you decide, okay? That's where you need to develop a strategy and start to get your back testing. That is how it works, all right? Giving you a lot of free information here, guys, to understand some small things. If you want to understand it a lot more clear, go into the Discord, join there. We have full breakdown of all of this stuff, all right? So that is your lesson of the day. For those who are not here, they have lost out, unfortunately. I do not use RSI, and nope, I do not use RSI. When price breaks above RSI 70, no, 70 sell. If it's up high on RSI, you normally sell. I don't know, I don't backtest it, I don't know anything about the RSI too much, to be honest, so I can't really give my feedback, but traditionally, if it's below, I think 30 or whatever, 35, it's a good area to buy. TBO listing in a couple of days. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't trade. It's sub $1. Wait, how's it? Why is it delisting? Really? Interesting. SVRE trendline break. Nope, nothing on this. KINS daily chart. All swings got rocked this week, but now the market's starting to pick up. KINS. There's nothing like this. Look here, here's an example. Look, what's happening here? You have a resistance, right? This is exactly what I just explained to everyone here now. Look, this is your resistance, all right? We see that. So why are you going to keep buying if it keeps rejecting? You know that if a candle closes above here, right? How I explained it, like this. If the body closes above, right, like this, not like that, because it's done it, it's rejected. You need it to close above. Then you get confirmation that it should continue to go up. How high? I don't know. These are your next resistance points, but you don't hold for resistance, you aim for percentages. That's what you aim for. So this one is very simple. KINS, wait for 981. KINS, wait for 981, break above. Okay. KTTA broke. Yes, so you should be in this trade. Look, candles closed above, there's a higher probability to go up. So once that candle closed right here, that was your entry, and then you aim for 5%. That's how you do it. But yeah, looks nice. It's getting a lot of top wicks, so sellers are taking control. You just have to wait and see. GXAI. For me, I don't like a falling wedge like this. Very low volume, nothing for me. Nothing. I'll leave it. Just leave it for now. KTRA. KTRA needs downtrend break right here. Look, I don't know where it's going to break, but this is your downtrend. So what defines resistance? Resistance is where the price has dropped the most. Right here is a resistance. You can see where price action has dropped the most. Go to a larger time frame and you can do it. Practice. Look, resistance here, resistance here. Why? Rejection. Support where? Here. It's gone up here. It's gone up here, gone up here, gone up here. Next support around here. Up. You see? Psychological levels, yes, as well. If you're entering there, yeah, it just takes practice. You need to stick with one thing though. You can't do everything at once. ELAB, I don't know why everyone's hopping on this play. This play is a load of shit. Like, there's nothing going on with it. I don't care if it runs up 100%. Right now, the stock is terrible. Previous price action looks terrible. I wouldn't even use this as a falling wedge because it's so bearish. Needs downtrend break. How do you identify psychological levels? Very easy. Psychological levels are very simple. Look here. $1 can be a psychological level. $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2, $2.25, $3, $3.25, $3.50, $3.75. Right? These kind of whole numbers are usually the most, like 1, 2, 3, but you can use 150, 250. You can use 325, 475, like go up in 25 increments. But usually the whole numbers like $6, $7, $8 are proper psychological levels. But that's how you identify it. So for example, let's see here, where is this? What is this at? 0.985, that could be a psychological level, right? But obviously this is a better psychological level right here. Look, 0.9. So this is a psychological level. MLGO, nothing unless 0.297. You see, look, rejection all at this level. Close above, you have room all the way up. That's the way it works. MLGO, wait for 2.97, 0.2917 break above. If it doesn't break above that, you don't enter. As I just mentioned earlier, when I say breaks above, the candle needs to break and close above. What time frame? You are in control and you can choose. Whatever time frame you desire is whatever you like to do. QH, strong uptrend, but I would wait for 169. 169 break, that's your entry. All right. Hollows moving up a little bit. SVRE, nothing. Tenon, not a fan. WISA, not a fan. NCNA. So NCNA, I'll clean this chart up. This is how I would do it on the 5 minute. Identify this as a resistance right here at 405. So I'll put this in purple as I do. I'm not doing this because we have rejections here. So I'm just going to use this level. So we have that like this. Now we are ranging. So we have this here, support. So 353, you see this? What I would do is I just move to 350. Yes, there's no touches here or anything. But for me, I like to put it as a psychological level. So this. So here. You see this? So NCNA needs 405 break. NCNA needs 405 break. Thank you for KTTA call. Nice. I'm glad you guys are getting in. Nice. Tibio. Yeah, Tibio is something like this. Look, oh, you think it's going to go up, but we don't know if it's going to keep going up because we're ranging right now. It's very difficult to know what's going to go. If you have a magical indicator that tell you'll go up, fantastic. For me, I don't have that magical indicator, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I do not. Right, pre-market, TBS, very SY. Yeah, so the market's been a little bit better this morning, but we'll have to wait and see what is in store for today. SVRE, yeah, look, see SVRE, this is why you don't enter. Just wait. I guarantee if it closes above here, it will continue to go up. TRNR is looking okay, actually. It's not too bad. Volume isn't quite there yet. Possibly a bullish pennant forming, so you expect price to continue in the direction that it's going. So it was in an uptrend, continue to go up. If it's a bearish pennant, it means that price has come from here and gone down like this. However, we are in the other direction. We have come from an uptrend and now we are going like this, and now we should continue to go up. You see, that's the difference between a bearish pennant and a bullish pennant. Bullish pennant. Right, what else is moving? Hollow's coming down to retest here. Look, Hollow's breaking above, retest. Maybe it'll push up now. Have to wait and see with this one. QH, I just keep this on watch. It's not really doing anything at the moment. 8% yesterday. That's what you need to do. TRNR. Hollow's looking alright. SVRE, yeah. CSVRE, look, nothing. You see? Look. Downtrend, bearish. KTD, yeah, very simple, easy trade. Easy peasy. You see, do you understand? This is exactly what I just mentioned and broke down to you. Everyone should give me a like Everyone should support the channel by giving us some retweets, subscribing, all of the fun stuff. I told you, if a candle closes above a resistance, there's a higher probability the stock will go up. What happened? It closed above, so there's the probability of it going up. If it doesn't close above, it should come down. It didn't close above, it came down. It closed above, it went up. You see how easy trading is? It's easy. What would make you comfortable to enter a trade that's just starting to bounce off support? I look for confluences. You can use bullish reversal patterns. You can use candlesticks. You can use chart patterns. You can use price action, all those things. So, yeah. Even if Tibia is ranging, why not buy at the bottom of the range? You can. There's no issue with it. But for me, and my strategy and the way I trade, I don't have any reason to enter this trade. I'm not confident that this will go up. I don't like trading in this range. It's too small. I don't know what's going on here. I just don't do it. But if you want to buy at support, fantastic. If you want to sell here or whatever you do, you can do that. But for me and my strategy and the way I look for my setups, I look for certain indicators, right? Indicate not in terms of the indicators I use. I look for confluences that help me enter my trade. Yes, you can say all good and well, there's a bullish pennant forming. Yes, it should break up, but for me, I don't like to enter now. So yeah, that's just my point of view. There is a higher probability, yes, that it should go up. You have a bullish continuation pattern. You have a support. You have green candles pushing up. It should break out, yes. But for me, I don't like to enter. You also need to keep in mind that you have a $5 psychological level. And I think it's very close to VWAP as well. Yeah, VWAP's here as well. So that is it. But it's very good that it's holding the support into open. If it's doing that, there should be a probability that it should continue to go up, because if the sellers were to take control of this, they probably would have sold it off already. All right. So well done on this. Now I like to go to the 4-hour, identify looking left. What are the next key levels? It's not really too much going on here. It's difficult to look at, but I'll make note of the highest levels, like 925 here. Some more significant levels if we go out around here. What is this? 785. 7.85, like this. So yeah, this is what we have right now. So these are the levels you have. So now look, this is my prediction, okay? Now we have broken above the resistance. When something breaks above a resistance, it usually becomes support. So we've broken above the resistance. Here's resistance. We've run up. Now we maybe push back for here to retest support. Now we go up, right? Is it going to do it 100%? No. But when I post something like this on Twitter, yes, I expect it to go up. Does it mean I'm in the trade? No. 99% of the time when I post trades on Twitter, I'm not in the stock. If I get in any play, I post in the Discord first, and I'm in there, we're waiting to hit our first target and everything, then maybe I'll post it on Twitter for you guys. But I'm teaching you where to enter in the Discord. I'm teaching you how to trade setups in the Discord. I'm not just posting charts saying buy, buy, buy. I teach you and you learn how to trade. Learn so you can have the skill. So I'm not going to just enter now because there's a yellow line. I know a lot of people do, and that's fantastic. But in order for me to enter this trade, I have to get confluences. But yes, this is the magical yellow line. We will see what happens. KTRA, we are finding an area of support. So what I like to do is we can identify, here's your support level, right? 0.916. So here is 0.95. So I'll do this like that. Psychological level 0.95. Now we can see what's happening. Possibly still in the downtrend. You see this? So like that. Now, if you're looking for an entry, wait for the downtrend to break. That will be your highest probability setup. This acts as the same as if this was a resistance like this. Exactly the same thing, because if it breaks above, continuation. Breaks above, continuation. It's just the angle of the line. That's it. What if a candle closes above red, not green? It's very unlikely, but if a candle closes above, it closes above. I would personally just use if it closes above a green candle, which is majority of the time. Oh yeah, I just seen that. Right. Tibio. Yeah, Tibio's chilling. Looks good. NCNA. Nothing really going on here. Just ranging. QH. Not really. SVRE. Look, this is a very simple trade to do. What are you doing in the situation? Nothing. Zero. Why are you going to enter the trade if it keeps calming down? Like I said, if the candle closes above here, then you can look for your entry to go up. It's that simple. So you wait, wait, wait. Wait. What if the candle never learned so much? Love it, Quebec. Love it, love it, love it. Like up the stream and subscribe to us. NUKK. NUKK is moving up, 13% down yesterday. So now I'm looking at time frame. What's going on? Very choppy. I would say it's just doing this ranging. So for me, am I going to enter this? Hell no. Why am I going to enter a trade that's ranging? The reason why I make it like this is because I don't know the trend. There's no trend. The trend is, I guess you could say ranging, but you don't enter inside of a range. You're going to be gambling, hoping and praying it's going to go up. So wait for break above trend line. So when I say break above, the candle needs to close above here to look for your entries to go up. RKLB. RKLB does look good. I think I gave levels on this. Yeah, RKLB looks good. These are your daily. I have daily levels right here. It looks good. So you were in an ascending triangle like this, like that. Oops, let me fix it up a bit like this. Then you had this previously, like 753, like that. Yeah, and then you have this like that. You see, like this. There you go. So look, it broke above. Now you're heading to 1068. All right. So RKLB heading to 1068. All right. I'm going to head into Discord. I've given you guys a lot of great information. I've hopefully helped you guys. Please remember, and I just have to say it every time because I don't want people getting scammed as much as it's not my issue, but it is what it is. This is the link to the only Discord that I'm in. I am not part of a Telegram. I do not have a WhatsApp. I don't have any cryptos. I won't text you about Forex. I won't message you about any copy trading, capital gains. I don't know what the fuck these people are going on about. Please ignore them. Look at the name of the user, and if it does not say Tiger Line Trades with the actual writing, no numbers, no underscore, none of that shit, right? Take 2 seconds to look at it unless you want to get scammed. So focus on looking and paying attention, all right? So I hope that you guys understood that part because it's very important unless you want to give your money away to random scammers, all right? So that is the link. I will see you guys in there. I know we have a couple people that just joined. Welcome. Please look at your Discord DM. Watch the intro video, then you can watch the risk management videos, episode 1, and then you can watch the rest of the seminars as well. All right. Live trading will start in 20 minutes. Members, I will see you guys in there. I wish you guys have a fantastic day. Lots of green, lots of money. I will see you all later today. Bye, guys. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it.